Okay, there we go. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Frank's Garage. I'm about to do an oil change on my 2020 YZ450F, so I'm going to give you guys a little pointers. Well, I don't even know if they're called pointers, but I'm going to show you guys what I do. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing going. Guts racing. Okay, so first step is going to be to warm the bike up. We're going to go ahead and hit that good old button. Alright, let's get the skid plate off. We got some more stuff down here. Okay, cool. So skid plate's off. We're gonna go ahead and change the oil for real. Oil fill cap out. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Move the oil filter. It's 2 bolts here. We got a genuine Yamaha oil filter. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. There's like a little, you can see that little nipple in there. That's pretty much where it goes into the slot. So can't mess it up. Show you torque to spec. Click. Cool. And then that holds in this little screener. This little screen right here. That actually has some crud in it. Wow. There's like branches. Branches. What the hell is that? That's like a little film. Okay, but you're supposed to clean this with kerosene or something. Alright, let's go hit it with some air. That cleaner, and I'm ready to put it back in. Put that back in here. So we can do its screening. Sweet. There we go. I'm going to put the screw back in. And put this drain bolt back in. Torque it to spec. Click. Click. Alright. And they're up. Make sure you can see it there in the little fill hole. So all I gotta do is put that skid plate on and we good. Alright everybody, I hope you guys liked the video. That's how you change oil on the 2020 YZ450F. Thanks again. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bang.